Hello dance enthusiasts, welcome back to my channel. Today I've got something extra spicy to share with you. I attended the Coast Afrolatin Dance Festival in Mombasa. Imagine kizomba, salsa and bachata artists from around the globe, all under one roof. We had mind-blowing workshops where our hips learned more moves than a salsa-loving octopus. And the nights, oh, they were lit. Social dance extravaganzas where feet tapped, hearts raced and laughter echoed. But wait, there is more. The grand finale, a pool party that made a splash. So my friends, buckle up, stick around because you're about to witness the coolest hip-shaking, soul-awakening time I had at the Coast Afrolatin Festival. Hit that subscribe button, tap the notification bell, and let's groove together. Trust me, you won't want to miss this. Alright party people, I kicked off my day at the festival with a sizzling salsa class. Our instructors, pure magic. They had us twirling, dipping and feeling the heat like never before. But guess what? The day was just getting started. Next up, Afrobeats. Our instructor Jay unleashed the beats, and suddenly we were moving like we had our own personal drumline. The energy was electric, the vibes contagious. We danced, laughed, and let the rhythm take us to another dimension. And this, my friends, was just the beginning. Stick around because there's more to come.
Alright, go down, drive it, okay? Go up, go. I want to down. If you are this hard, become this hard at least. And if you are this hard, become that like that. Is that okay? Should we try that? We're again with the music, let's go!
Let's dive into the grand finale, the pool party. Picture this, sun-kissed waves, inflatable flamingos, and synchronized cannonballs. We splashed, we grooved, and accidentally, our cannonballs became a choreographed masterpiece. Now, here's the twist. Every other resort guest stood there, jaws dropped, wondering what was happening in their midst. The salsa moves made the Afrobeat vibes, and suddenly the resort came to a standstill. We danced our day off, twirled like tropical tornadoes, and left everyone perplexed. And that's a wrap, guys. Other hotel guests joined in, and we turned the pool into a rhythm-soaked wonderland. So, my friends, whether you are at a pool party, a salsa night, or just grooving in your living room, remember this: have the utmost fun. It's the secret to creating unforgettable memories. Thanks for joining me on this wild ride at the Coast Afrolatin Festival. Hit that subscribe button, tap the notification bell, and let's keep dancing together.
Let me